How to start a group chat in Zangi. Want to chat with a few people all at once in Zangi? Starting a group chat is really straightforward. Let me show you how. First thing, you need to open your Zangi app on your phone. Let me do mine. Once you're inside, look for the pencil icon which is right over here. Tap on it. And that will provide you a few options right over there. There's a new chat, new group call, create group and add contact. As we're going to create a group, simply tap on create group and just select the contact. Let me do this one for now, and here you can add up to 1000 members. Let's add another one too. Then tap on select, and we do have 2 members in our group. And after you are done adding the peoples or the members in your group, simply tap on this tick mark right over here. You can see the exact position top right corner. Tap on it. Now you'll be asked to add the name of your group. Then after you are done, simply tap on this tick mark over here, or if you want to add a photo right over here, you can use this icon right over here and add the photo too. Then tap on the tick mark and we are inside the group, and boom, you have just created your Zangi group chat. See how easy that was. Now you can start sending messages to everyone in the group at once. Give it a try. So that was all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.